Is the screen visible? Pratik?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So first we'll be seeing a problem on Turing machine. Yesterday we had seen few problems. We'll see more problems. Design Turing machine for a string that ends with 00. This type of problem we have already solved using finite automata, TFA. We had solved that time. Ends with there was a logic that we had seen. We had made a table. After that, we had constructed the diagram. So in Turing machines, when we are solving problems, you can draw the transition table first and then the transition diagram, or from the transition diagram we can draw the transition table. So that is also possible. Yes. So for this particular problem, what they have given is string ending with 00, assuming that we are having 0 and 1 as the input. So zeros and ones are the input for this particular problem, and it will be ending with 00. So you can have anything here, but in the end, it should end with 00. So certain problems in Turing machine you can solve from the transition diagram. You can start and then you can make the transition table. So this one, we, we will start with the transition diagram and then come to the transition table. Like the last one we had seen once complement of a binary number. We had moved from left to right and then converted 0 to 1, 1 to 0, and in the end we went to the final state. So here also what we'll be doing is we'll be starting with the transition diagram and we'll go to the transition table. So Q0 is our first state. From here we are starting. So it can have ones also in the beginning. Yes, or it can directly start from 0. So if ones are coming, we are not bothered. So we'll keep moving from Q0 to Q0. So 1 will be kept as it is. 1 will be kept as it is, and we keep moving to the right. Then from Q0, if we get 1 0, then 0 as it is, we just change the state because we want 0 0 in the end. That combination has to be present. In Q1, again, if we get another 0, we'll keep 0 as it is and keep moving to the. So this is 0 0. We are going, and in Q, as we remember that after and before the string, there is a blank symbol in Turing machine. So in Q2, if we encounter, we keep blank symbol as it is and stop and go to the final state QF. So what is happening? Any number, then first 0 comes in, keep 0 as it is, keep moving to the right. Another 0 comes in, that means 2 zeros after that has to be a blank symbol. Your string is ended. So this blank indicates that your string is ended. 0 will be kept as it is and move to the right. 0 is kept as it is, we move to the right. Now if 1 comes in between, so what will happen? So what do we do? 2 is continuous. So we will move from, suppose in Q1 we get 1, we move from Q1 to 0. We keep 1 as it is, we keep moving to the right. We'll keep on checking. Now suppose after 2 zeros 1 comes in. In Q2 we get 1. What do we do? Again we will move from Q2 to Q1 because we want two zeros consecutively. We will move to the state Q0. So what will happen in Q0? We are coming across one. We keep that one as it is. We move to the right. Zero has come. Then one comes in. Then you go back here because we want two consecutive zeros. 0 is there, but it should be in the end. Two consecutive zeros is there. Then you move to Q0. Are you getting this? So Q2 will go back here. Now suppose we were having the problem was containing 0, 0. Then what we would have done? So containing 0, 0. After that, any number of ones, we would have had a loop here. Q2 to Q2 on getting any number of ones in between because it is a containing problem. That time we'll have Q2 to Q2 self transition in which we can have any number of ones, and when blank comes in, we'll go to QF. And that will also be for zeros. So not only for one, but also for zeros, we'll have a self loop because 0, 0 is contained. After that, we can have any number of zeros and ones. Are you getting this? So from the diagram, we'll be making the transition function. So what we'll be having? We have the states versus the tape symbol, which could be 0, which could be 1. We are not making any changes, so we don't require any other tape symbol. Blank is there, so that we'll require. Then we are starting with Q0, which is our start state. Then we have Q1, Q2, and QF, which is our final state. Now Q0, when you get 0, what do? We go to Q1, keep 0 as it is, and keep moving to the right. In Q0, when we get 1, what do? We stay in the same state Q0, keep 1 as it is, and keep moving to the right. Q0, if you get blank, there is no transition. Q1, if we get 0, we move to Q2. 0 is kept as it is, and we keep moving to the right. Q1, when we get 1, we go back to Q0. Keep 1 as it is and keep moving to the right. Q2, if you get 0, there is no transition on getting a 0. But Q2, if you get 1, what do? We go to Q0, keep 1 as it is, and keep moving to the right. Should there be a transition for 0? Yes, there should be a transition for 0. You can have a self transition here because 0, 0, you have had 0, 0 continuously. Another 0 comes in, that is also ending in 0, 0, right? So 0 will be there. It will be kept as 0, and you keep moving to the right, and you stay in Q2. So that will also mean that you're ending with 0, 0. Another 0 has ended, 0 has come, another 0 comes in. So when you get Q0, in Q2, when you get 0, we say stay in the same state Q2, keep 0 as it is, and keep moving to the right. Are you getting? So this is important. Q2, when you get blank, you keep blank as it is, go to final state, keep blank as it is, and stop. And QF is your final state. So it is important that you take certain examples and practice it. It will make it easier for you to understand it. Madhur, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So such simple Turing machines, they can ask for 5 marks. These type of problems you could have solved using TFA or a push down automata or Turing machine. Using that also we can solve it. Next is design a Turing machine for finding two consecutive A's and then halt. So you need to find two consecutive A's and then you will halt. So in the string, you have to find two consecutive A's and then you will be halting. So this is simple as compared to the previous one. So in Q0, any number of B's are there, you will just keep them as it is and keep moving to the right. One A comes in, you change the state. So A is kept as A and you keep moving